Hi guys, today I'm back with another quick Christmas craft. I'm going to make some UV resin studs. I've got this mold here and there are some Christmas related studs in this one. There are also some cute animals and things like that. But today I'm just going to make a couple of the Christmas related ones. So I've mixed up 3 colours of UV resin, green, red and silver, and I'm just going to use them in 3 of the different molds. So the first one I'm going to do is this little Christmas tree one here. So I thought I might just do a little silver star at the top. So fill that top little bit with a dab of silver. And then go in with the rest with green for the tree part. Oh gosh, making a mess today. The next one I thought I might go in with is these little Santa hats. So again, I'm just going to do a little silver blob on the top. And then I thought I might see what a little silver along the bottom would look like. Now I'm just going to go in with a red. Like so. Okay, the last one I'm just going to do is a snowflake in the middle. Now there's only one of them, so I'm going to have to cure all these and then have another go with this one here in the middle. Okay, so I'm going to drag over my UV lamp and I'm going to put them under for 1 minute this side. Then while they're still in the mold, I'm going to flip over the mold and do another minute on the other side. Okay, so they have had a minute each side. So while they're in the mold, I always find it easier to just put the backs on. So I just use whatever UV resin I've got left over. And I just put a little blob, it's probably a bit too much, on the back where I want to put it. Ooh. And then I just grab the backs and then I just hit them again with the UV lamp for a good minute. And there you have it guys, a finished product, and haven't they turned out super sweet? So quick and easy. I really like these little Santa hats. So, like I said, back has been put on and they are ready to wear. Well, if you're looking for Christmas studs, give this mould a go, guys, and catch me next time for some more resin mould testing. Bye, guys.